Welcome back, adventurers! Today, we are at the EPCOT International Festival of the Arts to see all the sights and sounds. So come along. This is Lucas TV Adventures. Wow, look at this new revamped entrance area. New planters and everything. At EPCOT. Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we are going to see the EPCOT International Festival of the Arts. This beautiful day. A little chilly here for Florida standard, but still beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. As you can see, they're still doing the fountain and the other side where the monoliths used to be, all throughout here.
You probably get in trouble for doing this, but you can climb up on trash cans.
No, we're not going to be climbing up on trash cans. So we learned something new today. As annual pass holders, these things actually do expire. And you're going to go to guest relations and get new ones. Even though the pass is good, our annual pass is good for another year, we renewed that. The individual card, not the magic band, but the cards themselves. Oh, look at that, it's all blocked off there. The cards themselves eventually do expire. So we got to get new ones at guest relations, which is right there. So we got to walk around Spaceship Earth to get there. Let's do that. They've got the characters strewn all about EPCOT in unique and interestingly odd places for meet and greets because of all the reconstruction. See the heavy equipment up there and there. Wow, as we turn the bend on this busy day here. Oh, it's gone. Look at that. It is gone. Look at that. You can see right through to the Imagination Pavilion where a building once stood. That's progress. Wow, look at this pretty Mickey head here of flowers. Beautiful. And also Mouseworks, or Mouse Gear, I said Mouseworks, my goodness. Mouse Gear all around here has been relocated to around the corner and over there. Haven't been in there yet, but this is now closed for renovation. And here is the new Mouse Gear, at least one of the entrances. Probably the first one anyone comes to. We have the living statues. Always here for the Festival of the Arts. While we're here, we are going to get that, our annual pass holder magnet. Here's the merch for the Festival of the Arts 2020. Figment Color Company was the theme. You like that? And here's where we get our pass holder magnet. Yes, this is a huge line. So we came out of the back entrance of Mouse Gear to get online to get our magnet, our annual pass holder magnet. Look at this line. So I think we'll be coming back another time for that. Yeah, oh my God, it just keeps going. No thanks. Oh, there's Daisy. Little meet and greet over here. An interesting spot to have a meet and greet. And this is where the line starts for the magnet. We were way down there. Came out that entrance. That is the longest I've ever seen a line for a annual pass holder magnet. It's like one of the living statues scared a little girl. Wow. Let's go get a picture with Daisy.
Oh, that's a nice sticker. It's our friend Nikki.
David doesn't want to let go. He's so happy.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Big smile, thank you.
And look at this new signage. Very nice. I'll take a picture. Wow, looks like the mural is almost complete. Expression section, paint by number mural. Bunch of figments in a row. Very nice. Ready, so here is the festival passbook. Ooh, colorful cuisine. I heard about that one. You get a free cookie at the end if you complete this 5 or 6 stations eating. Let's see if I can get this. Yep, you fill it, get those stamped, and then you get a free one.
What if that's like...
You don't get to choose the color.
Alrighty. So you paint 4 squares based on the number they give you, and then you get a postcard at the end. Pretty cool. So David's doing number 11. And you're gonna do his 4 squares. That's a great job, David.
No,
Oh my
David,
goodness,
only
a
4.
little bit too much.
David, only 4.
Okay, he's
The
doing
guy
those
said
4.
only 4.
Can I help you, David?
I do 11.
Okay, David. Let's not.
I need to find 6.
All right, I'm gonna clean up David's work here. Let's do 4 squares. I think we got a little bit more. Hopefully they don't call that a violation. They'll kick us out for us. Okay, David, you done? You're done. Now you get a free postcard, a little souvenir. How cool! Righty, we found 6. Way down here, towards the end. Go for it, Brent.
I like this brush. It's satisfying. All right. Paint right here.
Wow, painting like a pro. So precise
Uh-huh.
as the wind blows the canvas. Wow, look at that. Perfect job. Right now, Mommy's turn. We found 8.
Square I got?
You got to do 4 squares. Ooh, it's a
Can I pick my 4?
any 4 you want. It says number 8.
Even better than me.
Oh, look at that. A real pro. Knows how to stay between the lines. Inside the line.
Oh, I have some on here.
Look at this. Really, really being precise.
I'm trying not to mess up because it's so pretty. The other.
Yeah, I can do it.
So just make a little strong.
Now fill it in thick. Use all the paint they gave you.
It's like I have to be all the way over there.
Done.
Good job. She's still working on that square. Alrighty, when you're all done, you come up here and get your postcard.
So baby, you can throw away my stuff now because I'm done. You're gonna tell me where.
Oh, and that's what it is, huh? You see it in the sun. Ooh, nice. Here we have the 2D chalk art Cobwebs free. Can you see that? I don't know. Artist at work right here. Oh, how pretty is that? Even in the shadows. Oh, we see Coco down there. Sayonara. Here's the 3D one. You sit on the X. All right, Brent. How's it supposed to look 3D?
Nowadays, what you do, right?
Just sit on the X. Figments.
Cookie. It's got edible paint on it where you can
Hey,
paint on
go
the
get to
cookie.
the guy right there. Say, cookie, please.
Yes, sir. And it's not to my presence.
I know, take care of this.
One cookie.
Yeah, the cookie?
Yes.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. All right. There you
Wow.
go, both hands.
I'll help him with that.
Awesome.
Thank you, David. Artist palette chocolate chip cookie. Oh, and here's a good spot for us to sit down and try it. David. And it comes with a paintbrush.
You can eat the paint.
So why don't you paint something?
I'm gonna paint a smiley face.
So David,
Dave, you want to paint first before you eat?
he just wants to eat it.
You're gonna don't put on your clothes.
Brent's
please.
the artist. David just is like, he's the eater.
Dave,
There.
we're gonna. I
So we got a
wanna.
little smiley face?
Can I
Okay.
get a quickly picture of the cookie?
Sure. Ooh, you
So
painting?
Dave is painting. Good job.
What are you gonna paint, David? A smiley face. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
job.
Can I do my paint now?
Oh, he's, don't eat the
Can I do
paintbrush.
my paint now? Mine is gonna be yellow, okay? You ready?
Oh, you can make green. Yours is kind of green because
Well,
of
a
the
little,
color
little
mixture.
trickier than you would think, right?
Yeah.
No one wants to
Hold
paint with
on.
red, though, apparently. There you go.
What's that?
It's
What do you think?
an alien.
A dog.
It's
My
a
surprise
frog.
face.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse, guys.
It's a Mickey
Oh,
Mouse
it's
guy.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey.
I knew that, of course.
Now,
David.
Daddy, your turn.
All right, here, you take the camera.
Dave, no, don't need it. We need a paint. I'm
sorry. Let's see, what do I want to paint? How about a
A dog. A dog.
dog?
That's kind of hard.
It's a
Let me
dog.
see what Daddy's doing.
This is the dog's head.
Oh
his
my
feet.
goodness.
His
That's-
tail.
It's a very,
That looks more like a fox for me.
that's a fun.
Uh,
Yeah. I think maybe we ought to just go ahead and eat.
Did Brent do his?
Yeah, it is. Smiley face.
Eating time.
Okay, eating time.
Don't eat that part.
Is that yummy?
Ah, I'm gonna eat your Mickey Mouse.
Okay, eat my Mickey Mouse.
This is I suspected. It's chocolate chip, just like you'd think, with nice icing.
Okay.
David, did you eat all that cookie by yourself? No.
Mama was eating some.
Dave is a cookie monster.
So here we are at Canada, the beautiful gardens. We're about to go and see Far and Wide. I think that's the name of the new Canada show. Far and Wide. It's right straight ahead. Ooh, the rapids. We were just here recently to see the original one last time, and it was closed off here for construction. So they got the waterfall back on. That's pretty cool. Zero minutes to the next show. Beautiful. All We didn't quite make it into that last show, but we're in the next one. Here we go. Ooh, we're in the forest. The forest moon of Endor.
Its southern neighbor, Montreal, will tell you our falls are bigger than the American falls.
But they're both really spectacular.
That's true.
All right, that was Canada far and wide. Very pretty. This is a pretty cool exhibit because they use my son's name for the example. Did they know they were doing that? I don't think so, but these are original Disneyland tickets. You can have personalized. I could just take that one home. We were ready to go. It's already got David's name on. Now, you got 5 letters in yours, Brent, so you could do yours too. I like that. It's pretty cool. Of course, one of the greatest things that attracts people to the arts festival, of course, is none other than the art. And we haven't had much time to really look at that today. It's just been so beautiful outside. Look at that one tree right there. Unbelievable. Partly it's just because it's a holiday weekend. It's incredibly crowded here at EPCOT, so it's been a little tough to do everything we wanted to do today, so we're gonna have to come back. Of course, right here is the price. Boom. DCBA. Like the one that says David better. 3D art is really cool. Sleeping Beauty. I don't know if you can really get the depth on video the way you can looking at it with your own eye in person. This one's very cool. How many layers they got. The Donald really pops out of that. That's so cool. Even paintings, they have incredible sculptures here. Look at that. Look at this thing. Wow. Something else. These wave-looking things. Disney on Broadway here at the EPCOT Festival of the Arts.
That's why it's hard to down in the under the sea. Yeah. Thank you all so much for coming tonight.
Getting towards nightfall and we make our way around World Showcase. I find this interesting piece of art right here. Booyah. Look at that. That's something else.
What is that?
I don't know, but I like it. Look at this. I like this. It's cool. It's nothing Disney. It's just cool. Sparkly. Look, I look at that. I like how this does this in the camera when I move like this. It's really, look at that, Brent. Look at that, cool. It's neat. This one too. Oh wow, I like it. Hey, I'm in there. I'm under reflection. It's like I'm out in space, floating around in space. Ooh. Want to float in space, Brent? Ooh. Lost in space. The expression section is now closed and looks like they have completed the mural. Hopefully you can pick this up okay here. It's night. It's a little dark in this section here. That's the whole thing. Lots of figment faces. Alrighty, so we've come back to Mouse Gear at the end of the night for the annual pass holder magnet. And as you can see, the line was way out to there. Now there's no line at all. Pretty cool, huh? Voila. We are in business. We got it. Yay! We got back to guest relations, which is over here next to Spaceship Earth. There it is. This whole section is closed off. And matter of fact, this area we're standing in right here, they have a sign over there with a little fence, hard to see right now, but you're not supposed to come back here unless you're going to guest relations, which was so crowded earlier today when we got here. We had to replace our annual pass cards, not our magic bands or anything like that, but just the actual cards. They expired even though our annual passes are still good for another year, almost another full year. But who knows? The actual cards themselves have an expiration date and you got to get new ones. And we did that.